So I turn on Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and this keyboard, suppose the number lock key is off, you can turn on the number lock. Now you can see that we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, in this numerical section here, you must type 8308. So after typing 8308, you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that this exponent 4 have been read here. That is, for example, suppose if I am going to type here 10, type like this, and after that I am going to turn on, by the number lock is already on. I press and hold this alt key, and here I am going to press 8308, and after that I release my finger from this alt key. So you can see that the exponent 4 is here. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.